Hey there, friends. Today we are going to see if this Grayguns 229 Enhanced Strut and Seat Kit gives us a little relief on our perceived trigger pull, or if it's just an actual black magic thing. So this kit I bought from Grayguns a long time ago, and I'm just now getting around to putting it into my favorite SIG P229. It comes with a strut bar, a seat, and 3 springs. I know that the red one, I believe, is, look at this card here. Well, it doesn't say it on the card, does it? I think I went on the website. I believe that this red one is 7 pounds. Whoa. I lied. Big words. We got 19 pounds for the blue and 17 for the red. Now, I haven't done this before, but this should be exciting for both of us. So first we're going to take these grip off. These are Hogue custom grips I had made a long time ago because they didn't have them in the Blue Piranha for the 229, so I hassled them on the internet and they made me a one-off set. I also have done the same thing for my Ruger Mark III 2245 Light, and those will be getting delivered to me maybe next month. What do we got here? Oh, pretty neat, huh? So let's see what our trigger scale is. I'm sure it's going to be like 10.5. I do have the SRT kit in here, and that is a Grayguns trigger. So let's see if this, I'm sure it's off the charts. Yeah, that's a lot. It's many. But after it's cocked, let's go again. Oh, yeah, we're looking at what, 4.5 after. Okay. So let's pop this slide off. Or do it correctly. There we go. Easier without the camera in the way. All right. There's our seat. There's our strut. There's our decocker. Oh man, I haven't cleaned this thing in forever. Oh boy. All right, I'm gonna have to take this apart, and we will come back after I get through the boring part. All right, now that we've got all the fun stuff out, let's take a look here at what the differences are in this strut bar. So here's the Grayguns one, and this is the stock SIG one. They are pretty similar, except for Grayguns one is a little longer, and I think that might make sense. Nope, the struts, it's a little different on the inside. I wonder if you can see that. It's got a little bit of an elongated hole in the bottom of it, and that one's just got a little bunch of junk stuck in the bottom of it. Okay. And then I'll be going with the 17-pound red spring and replacing this Sear spring with the one that came with the kit. The geometry on that's a little different too. Look at that. All right, I won't make you guys watch the boring part of me putting it all back together either. So I will see you in a bit. All right, everything's back together, and let me tell you, let's try the scale. I don't think it's going to be a significant change there, but we'll see. Remember, we were talking about felt. Oh, that slipped off. Let's try that again. Oh, well, it didn't max it. Before it was, I mean, I was yanking on it, so that's, maybe it's 9? It stopped there. A little under 9. Let's see what it feels like. As you can see, sorry, didn't show everybody that I checked, but I did just put this thing back together. So, let's see. That actually felt way... Oh, okay. Yeah, definitely feels lighter. Let's do a single. That's a lot. That's a noticeable difference in how smooth that is. Noticeable difference. That must be the way that new strut is shaped. That is smooth. So yeah, the Grayguns. I lost my card. The Grayguns strut kit with the spring kit. Totally 2 thumbs up on that. That's a great upgrade, and I suggest if you are looking for something to lighten up that trigger pull even more, yeah, that's a smart maneuver. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.